thank you for watching Green Mango's channel. Today we are going to make Turkish coffee. Turkish coffee can be made with Arabic ground refined coffee in addition to sugar. That's optional, but we must have water. So I'm going to show you on how to do it. First I'm going to show you the ingredient that we have. This is the coffee that we bought from Beirut. It's in Arabic, so I'm not sure what it's saying, but it's coffee. I know that for sure. And I just put it in this container. And then I like to use brown sugar, but you can use white sugar if you like. I like brown sugar better because the sweetness of it is not too intense. And then this water, I have tried to use cold water before. However, when I put in cold water, the coffee does not dilute or dissolve as well. So I kind of warm it up a little bit, but doesn't have to be hot. And then you need the pot to cook the coffee in. So depends on how strong you like your coffee to be. I like mine pretty strong. So I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of coffee for each cup of teacup. This is the cup that I'm going to be using for the coffee. It's a little bit kind of like a mini cup. Okay, 1, 2. I'm going to make 2 cups, so it will be 4. It is kind of, it's a big spoon. So as you're making it, you'll see, how strong it is. All right, and then for the water, just however much, how many cup that you're going to be making. So I'm making 2 cups, so therefore I'm going to be pouring in 2 cups of water. And then put in the sugar. So again, it's dependent on your preference, however you like your coffee to be. If you like it sweet, you put more sugar in, but for me, I'm using 1 teaspoon of sugar for each cup, so I'm going to put in 2. I don't like too sweet. Alright, and then I'm just going to use this spoon to stir it up. We want to stir it up until we can see the coffee kind of incorporated, kind of mixed well together. So as you can see now, you don't see any lumps. Oh, there's one right there. So you just mix until there's no lumps. Alright, that's about good right there. Now we're gonna put it on the stove. Alright, so we're gonna turn the heat on. We just want the heat to be on kind of medium heat, not too strong. So my stove have 9 number. I'm putting it at like a 4. So it's a little bit lower heat. Alright. So once it's on the stove, you don't need to stir it anymore. Do not stir it. Just leave it alone until you see it starting to boil. Then you will turn off the stove. So we're gonna wait for a couple minutes until it's starting to boil. It's almost boiling. Now you see some foam starting to come up right there. We're gonna scoop some of that foam and pour in the cup. That's kind of like the froth for the coffee. Now we'll let it sit a little bit more. Now the coffee is boiling. We want to turn the heat off right away. We don't want to let it boil too long because the coffee will become very bitter. Okay, just make sure you pour very slowly into the cup. It smells delicious. That's one cup. Make another one. And then you just leave the rest right there because a lot of those are the ground coffee. So we're going to let it sit for at least 10 minutes for the coffee to settle down before you drink it, because the coffee ground is still on the top. So when you drink it, if you're going to drink it right now, you can going to taste that coffee ground. So we don't like that. We want to taste that smooth coffee. So we're going to have to be patient and wait a little bit. Alright, it has been 10 minutes. The coffee is settled down. Now we're going to take a sip. Wow, it's creamy, rich, and very, very smooth. If you are a coffee lover, you have to give this a try. Please give it a try and let me know how you like it. And just a fair warning, it could be addictive. Alright, thank you for watching my video. And please don't forget to thumb up and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.